Ayutthaya, once the flourishing capital of the Kingdom of Siam, stands today as a testament to Thailand's rich history and cultural heritage. Founded in 1350 by King Ayutthaya, Ayutthaya quickly grew from a modest settlement into a thriving metropolis, renowned for its impressive architecture, bustling trade, and diverse population. Over the centuries, it became a melting pot of civilizations, welcoming traders and missionaries from China, India, Persia, and the Malay Peninsula, which contributed to its vibrant cultural tapestry. The city's strategic location along the Chao Phraya River allowed it to dominate regional trade routes. Ships from as far away as Europe, the Middle East, and East Asia docked here, exchanging goods such as silk, ceramics, spices, and gold. This influx of international commerce transformed Ayutthaya into one of the most prosperous cities in Southeast Asia, often referred to as the Venice of the East, due to its network of waterways and canals that facilitated transportation and commerce. Architecturally, Ayutthaya is famed for its stunning ruins, which blend Siamese, Khmer, and Persian influences. The city was meticulously planned with royal palaces, Buddhist temples, monasteries, and defensive walls. Among its most iconic structures is Wat Mahathat, renowned for the Buddha head entwined in tree roots, symbolizing the intertwining of nature and spirituality. Wat Frasi Samphat served as the royal monastery and was the most important temple during the Ayutthaya period, showcasing majestic chaitas that once housed the ashes of kings. The city's religious life played a central role in its development. Theravada Buddhism flourished here, and many monasteries became centers of learning and cultural preservation. Artisans created intricate sculptures, murals, and gold leaf decorations, reflecting a high level of craftsmanship. These artistic traditions influenced subsequent Thai art and architecture, leaving a lasting legacy. Throughout its history, Ayutthaya faced numerous challenges, including invasions, internal conflicts, and natural disasters. In 1767, the Burmese armies sacked the city, destroying many temples and palaces. Despite this devastation, the ruins have remained a powerful symbol of Thailand's resilience and cultural richness. The subsequent establishment of Bangkok as the new capital shifted political power, but Ayutthaya's historical significance persisted. Today, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Ayutthaya attracts millions of visitors annually. Tourists explore the extensive archaeological park, marveling at the grandeur of ancient temples, statuary, and city walls. The Ayutthaya Historical Study Center offers insights into the city's past, showcasing artifacts, maps, and multimedia presentations. In addition to its archaeological treasures, Ayutthaya is known for its vibrant local culture. Traditional festivals, such as the Ayutthaya World Heritage Fair, celebrate the city's history through music, dance, and cuisine. The floating markets and riverside communities provide authentic experiences, where visitors can taste local delicacies, buy handcrafted souvenirs, and observe traditional ways of life. Educational programs and conservation efforts continue to preserve Ayutthaya's legacy. Researchers and archaeologists work tirelessly to uncover new insights into its past, ensuring that future generations can appreciate this remarkable city. Initiatives promote sustainable tourism, balancing the need for economic development with the preservation of its fragile ruins. The city's influence extended beyond its own borders, impacting regional politics, culture, and religion. Ayutthaya's diplomatic relations with neighboring kingdoms facilitated exchanges of ideas, art, and technology, fostering a period of relative stability and prosperity in Southeast Asia. Its legacy is also reflected in modern Thai identity, where reverence for history and tradition remains integral. In contemporary times, Ayutthaya serves as an educational hub, inspiring scholars, historians, and travelers alike. Its landscape, dotted with ancient stupas, statues, and monasteries, offers a unique window into a golden age of Southeast Asian civilization. The city's resilience and enduring beauty exemplify the deep cultural roots that continue to shape Thailand's national identity. The city's story is one of rise, resilience, and revival. From its humble beginnings to its peak as a cosmopolitan center, and finally its preservation as a UNESCO site, Ayutthaya embodies the enduring spirit of Thai culture. As modern travelers walk among its ruins, they connect with centuries of history, spirituality, and artistry that define this extraordinary city. Historically, Thailand boasts a rich heritage rooted in ancient civilizations and kingdoms. The Sukhothai and Ayutthaya periods are considered golden ages, with impressive ruins that showcase intricate architecture, sculptures, and temples. The city of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the country's historical significance as a trading hub and cultural center. Modern Bangkok, the bustling capital, combines ultra-modern skyscrapers with traditional temples such as Wat Arun and Wat Phra Kaew, reflecting a harmonious blend of old and new. Culturally, Thailand is renowned for its unique traditions and customs. The Thai people practice Theravada Buddhism, which influences daily life, festivals, and rituals. The graceful art of Thai dance and classical music, along with traditional crafts like silk weaving and pottery, highlight the country's artistic heritage. Festivals such as Songkran, the Thai New Year marked by water fights, and Loi Krathong, where lanterns are floated on water, are vibrant expressions of local culture, drawing visitors from around the world. Cuisine is another vital aspect of Thai identity, famous for its bold flavors and aromatic ingredients. Dishes like Pad Thai, Tom Yum Goong, green curry, and Som Tum offer a taste of the diverse culinary landscape. Street food plays a significant role, with bustling markets serving up fresh, affordable, and delicious options at every corner. The use of ingredients such as lemongrass, chili, coconut milk, and fresh herbs creates complex flavors that are both satisfying and memorable.